Ever struggled to grip a slippery bolt or cut a wire with your bare hands? No worries, Pliers got your back.
Pliers aren't just basic gripping tools. There are so many types, each with a specific job to make your work easier.
In this video, we'll cover the history of pliers, different types and their uses, how to use them properly, maintenance tips, and how to pick the right pliers. And of course, we'll share some must-know safety tips, because trust me, you don't want to learn those the hard way.
Did you know pliers have been around for over 3,000 years? They were originally made of wood. Imagine trying to grip hot metal with that. Ouch!
But thankfully, metalworking advanced, and we got the sturdy pliers we use today. So no more crispy fingers.
There are tons of pliers out there, and each one has a unique purpose. Let's go through some of the most common ones. 1. Combination pliers, the multitasker. Gripping, cutting, and bending, this one's got range. 2. Needle nose pliers, long and pointy. Perfect for tight spaces and detailed work like electronics. Think of them as the precision tweezers of the toolbox. 3. Slip joint pliers, adjustable jaws for gripping objects of different sizes, because size does matter, at least when it comes to pliers. 4. Locking pliers, lock onto objects so you don't have to keep squeezing them. Once they clamp, they hold on like a stubborn jar lid. 5. Diagonal cutting pliers, designed for cleanly cutting wires or cables. Great for cutting wires or trimming zip ties when scissors just won't cut it, literally. 6. Wire strippers, peel back insulation on electrical wires without shocking yourself. 7. Crimping pliers, used to attach connectors to wires, essential for electrical work. Because electrical tape is not always the solution. Knowing which pliers to use will save your time and effort on any project.
Using pliers properly is the difference between getting the job done or needing a first aid kit. Here's how to do it right. Use the right type for the job. Don't try to cut thick cables with gripping pliers. It's like using a spoon to spread butter.
Hey pal, you just blowing from Stupid Town?
Grip the handles firmly to avoid slipping. Unless you enjoy chasing tools across the floor, don't force it. Pliers aren't wrenches or hammers. Misusing them is a fast track to a broken tool, or worse, a broken hand. Check your pliers before using them to make sure they're not loose or damaged. Loose joints, rusty grips, time for a replacement. Using the right technique makes your job easier and keeps your tools from wearing out too soon.
If you want your pliers to last, here's what you need to do. Clean them after use. Dirt, oil, and mystery gunk, get rid of it. Apply a little lubricant to the joints to keep them moving smoothly. Store them in a dry place, because rusty pliers are about as useful as a chocolate teapot. Avoid dropping or banging them. If they hit the ground too hard, they might retire early. Maintenance is simple, and trust me, it's worth it. Nothing's worse than reaching for your tool, only to find it stuck shut.
When picking pliers, don't just grab the first pair you see. Look for these key things. Durable material. Look for ones made from high-quality steel like carbon or chrome vanadium. Carbon steel or chrome vanadium equals long-lasting pliers. Comfortable grip. Make sure the handles feel good in your hands and don't slip. Slipping pliers are fun for no one. Trusted brands. Good quality tools are safer and last longer. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. No one likes pliers that break on the first squeeze. Go for trusted brands, because cheap tools end up costing more in replacements.
Like ELORA tools, made from high-quality chrome vanadium built to be strong, durable, rust-resistant, precise, and long-lasting.
To avoid injuries, follow these safety tips. Don't use pliers with wet hands. slippery tools, and sharp objects? Bad combo. Don't use pliers as a substitute for hammers or other tools. Yes, we see you, Mr. Improvisation. If your pliers are worn out or loose, replace them immediately. A wobbly plier is an accident waiting to happen. Wear gloves when working in extreme conditions, but don't let them get caught in moving parts.
If you want to check out the pliers we use, check the link in the description for more details.
And that's everything you need to know about pliers. Got any questions or experiences with pliers? Drop them in the comments below.
Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And remember, pliers are for gripping, not for launching across the room in frustration.